The sun is big. It's seriously gigantic, but it's so far away that we can't really tell. To me, it just looks like a dot in the sky. Anyone can buy a pair of protective glasses to look directly at the sun. The star of this episode is the sun. How can we grasp its physical size, mentally and physically? Rather than showing images of the size of planets, let's shrink down the solar system to the size of common objects that relate to our lives. In this way, we can bring the cosmos down to Earth. We can imagine planets as things we can touch or throw around, or maybe even eat. Most people are aware that the sun is big, but how big? Say we shrunk the solar system so that the sun were the size of a basketball. How big do you think Earth is? I mean, really think and take a guess. Would it be minuscule or maybe comparable to the size? We'll come back later and see how accurate your guess was. But first, let's start with Jupiter. If the sun were the size of a basketball, how big is Jupiter? Is it the size of a volleyball? No. A tennis ball? No. Jupiter would be the size of a grape tomato. A planet that is significantly larger than the Earth is minuscule compared to the size of the sun. Sure, it's a fruity comparison, but this is a pretty close approximation. So now, how big is Earth in this shrunken comparison? Why, about the size of a match head. That should shed some light on the situation. Earth is puny compared to the sun, and all planets really are. It's no wonder the sun holds over 99% of the mass in the solar system. So I've included information on the other planets in the video description. You should determine which object would best represent your favorite planet, and let me know in the comments. Be sure to check out my other video on the size of the solar system and the distance between planets. By scaling things down, we can score some points on our understanding of the cosmos. Sometimes these comparisons can be rather striking. It's literally lit.